happened. When you were sitting down relaxing, these birds showed up. Crows came, thousands of them. They came in our balcony, yes. And then we started eating bread. And Martha, we started eating it. Okay. Now we're gonna throw them out.
Okay.
You can't try to sit there, Ron? I'm trying. I'm gonna try to sit there, Ron. Okay, go sit. No, can you come with me, please? Guys, no! Go. This cat. Oh, good. Well, watch him catch. Whoa. Oh, man! Whoa, that's good! What are you looking at? All the bread you want, Ron. All the bread you want.
Just hold that in your hand, Ron. Take the weight out of your hand. Oh, hey, no, Fletch, don't. What are you throwing? I think Fletch is throwing toys out there. Hey, he just threw a diaper out. No. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.